G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. Firstly, I'd like to say thanks to everyone who's been watching my videos recently. I'm really encouraged by the number of people who are watching. Thanks so much for that. What I would like to say is though, if you've got any tips that you'd like to share about EV issues, battery fires, stuff like that, you can hit me up on Instagram or you can email me at simon@mguy.tv. It'd be great to get your tips because I'm always looking for interesting stuff to make videos about. So anyway, in this one we have a bit of a tragedy, but again it's relevant to what we're talking about. Let's just watch the news report and then we'll have a bit of a chat.
The clubhouse at a prestigious Yarra Valley golf course has been destroyed in a multi-million-dollar fire. Management says it started in a buggy storage area where batteries were kept.
Red hot and billowing black over the pristine greens, this huge inferno burns fast through the Eastern Golf Club's facilities.
Wow.
A pro shop, offices, lounge, function and dining room destroyed as members and staff watch in disbelief.
So the golf course club rooms, it looks like, are on fire.
Crazy. What's so crazy about this is how quickly the fire took hold. You know, normally if there was a kitchen fire or something like that, you'd easily just put it out. There'd be fire extinguishers, but that didn't happen here. What they're saying is that it started in the storeroom for the golf buggies. Most modern golf buggies use a lithium-ion battery, and yeah, you can see the result. And the fire chief effectively says what we're all thinking here, because it is an extraordinary result from such a simple cause.
You don't normally see too many structure fires go that quickly. And extend fire that fast. There's absolutely nothing left inside.
Yep, there's absolutely nothing left inside. You don't see structure fires go that fast. When have you seen a building burn down because of a contained fire in a single room? That's just terrible. Wow. Anyway, that's just about it for this video. Just a quick one. Let me know in the comments what you think, as always. As I say, if you've got any stories or tips you'd like me to cover, you can email me at simon@mguy.tv, or you can find me on Instagram at mguy.tv. I'll leave links down below. All right, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.